After the annotation, it's the reflection API. So after the annotation videos, you have to look videos. So what is reflection? The process of examining or modifying the runtime behavior of a class at runtime. For instance, reflection is the process of analyzing all the capabilities of a particular class at runtime of application. To perform reflection, we need some API or a set of predefined classes provided by Java. That API is called reflection API. In Java, the outer class cannot be declared as private, but inner class be declared as private. The java.lang.class class provides many methods that can be used to get metadata. Examine the change and the runtime behavior of a class. The java.lang and java.lang.reflect packages provide classes for Java reflection. So now we look about where this reflection API is used. Reflection API is mainly used in IDE, Integrated Development Environment, building the IDE such as Eclipse, MyEclipse, NetBeans, etc. and debugger and test tools. Where the outer class is defined as private, the first instance, the outer class is defined as a private class, and the private class code is been passed on the compiler. And the compiler, there are certain rules such as classes rules, where the access modifier should be public or default. If there is a private, the compiler, in order to check the access modifier of the code, the outer class, the compiler checks it's a private and it throws an error. But whereas in the second instance, there is a access modifier is public. So when the compiler checks the classes rules, if the access modifier is public or default, then there is a success of the compilation process. Reflection API plays its parts over here. In order to access the class data, we use reflection API. But in the first instances, the reflection API throws an error. But in the second instance, reflection API throws a success. Class is public, then the compiler throws no error and .class file is generated. To read the declaration information of a class, a compiler use reflection API. Compiler reads information such as variable, constructors, class methods, etc. Java has given a set of predefined classes. So what are the set of classes provided by Java API? This answer is Java API provides majorly reflection API classes in the form of java.lang.reflect package, classes available to perform the reflection API, such as java.lang.class, which is the base class to perform reflection API, and java.lang.reflect.field, java.long.reflect.method, java.lang.reflect.constructor, java.lang.reflect.modifier. Elaborate each of the packages, such as java.lang.class package. The main purpose of this class is to gather the complete metadata of a particular class. Package java.lang.reflect field. This package is to gather a complete declarative information about a particular variable. So declarative information means metadata of a variable, like access modifiers of variable, data type of variable, name of the variable, value of the variable, and so on. Java.lang.reflect.method, and this package is used to provide the ability to store the complete declaration information about a particular method. The complete declarative information in the sense metadata of a particular method, in the sense access modifiers list of a method, return types of method, method name, parameter types, and throws exceptions. Okay, all these informations we are able to gather in the form of a particular method class object. The fourth package is java.lang.reflect constructor. It is similar to manage constructors metadata, like name of the constructor, parameter types, access modifiers of constructors. And this is the to get the data about a constructor, this particular package is used. The final one, the explanation is java.lang.reflect modifier. To represent a particular modifier or access modifiers information, we use the java.lang.reflect.modifier package.